Warnings are coming from Walmart and Home Depot. Let's bring in trader Tim Biggam with Delta Derivatives. Tim, those warnings hit the stock market very hard, or is something else going on with the market?
Yeah, certainly that is one of the troubles is that, earnings are starting to roll over a little bit. Plus, we're seeing interest rates had appreciably higher here. So it's kind of a, double whammy effect for stocks and certainly stock valuation. So lower earnings and higher interest rates certainly makes for lower valuation. So I think it'll be a struggle going forward for stocks now that earnings season has kind of come to an end. And the Fed certainly has not laid off the pedal so far on raising rates.
Well, the S&P 500 did drop below 4,100. Is that a warning signal about the stock market?
Yeah, I think it was a failed, breakout. Really wasn't a bona fide breakout, in my opinion. That 4,100 was the old double top level. So be interesting to see, if we continue to just consolidate like really we have been for a while here in the market, or if this is the start of a leg lower. I kind of am favoring the fact that given where the VIX is back above 20, that's normally kind of a sell signal for stocks as well. So I think we might have a leg lower in stocks. Then it might be a time to get your laundry list of names ready to buy.
Get ready to buy indeed. And what would you buy?
Yeah, nibbling into, some of the higher yielding stocks here. They certainly have been hit the hardest. The Dow's been the biggest underperformer this year compared to the NASDAQ. Last year it was the outperformer. But I'm kind of liking, those stodgy old low kind of beta higher yield stocks here, just given the fact the Fed is probably have 2 more rate hikes at most, but I don't see rates ripping higher from here, and I think ultimately that will be rewarded. Plus, you can lean on the dividend yield to kind of get that return this year in what I think will be a sideways market overall.
Tim, is there any unusual options activity that you are following?
Yes, seeing huge repeat call buying in ChargePoint, an EV charging stock. Just have seen it continue over the past month or so. Implied volatility now at the highest level it's been at in that time. So I'm following along with that. The fact the stock has dropped sharply is a benefit as well. Buying the shares, selling these very expensive calls against it, leaning slightly bullishly with that call buyer, but capturing the fact they're more than willing to overpay for the options.
Thank you very much for your trader talk today, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.